Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to see the ID of any server on Discord. This process is simple once you know where to look, but it does require enabling a hidden feature inside the app. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your phone or tablet. Once it loads, head down to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your user settings menu. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Inside there, you'll see an option called Advanced. Tap on it to access more tools that aren't normally visible. Inside the Advanced menu, you'll notice a small toggle for something called Developer Mode. Make sure that switch is turned on. Developer Mode is what gives you the ability to view and copy IDs across Discord, whether it's for servers, messages, or users. Without this turned on, the option simply won't appear. Now that Developer Mode is active, return to your server list. Find the server you want the ID from. If you're using a phone, just long press on the server icon or name until a menu pops up. If you're on desktop, you can right-click instead. From the menu that appears, select Copy ID. As soon as you pick that option, the server's unique ID number is copied instantly to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it wherever you need, whether for troubleshooting, reporting, or configuring bots. And that's it. By enabling Developer Mode and using the copy feature, you can quickly grab the ID from any server you have access to. This method works every time and is the most up-to-date way to find what you need inside Discord. If you've never used IDs before, they may look like long strings of numbers, but they serve an important role behind the scenes. Now you know exactly how to reveal them whenever necessary. Thanks for watching.